Ever feel like you're lost in the maze of SEO writing? You're not alone. SEO writing can feel like a Herculean task. It's a delicate dance of incorporating keywords without disrupting the natural flow of your content. It's about creating engaging and valuable content that not only appeals to search engines, but also to your readers. And as if that's not enough, you have to keep up with the ever-changing algorithms of search engines. Just when you think you've got the hang of it, they switch things up, leaving you scrambling to adjust. It's a relentless cycle of learning, implementing, and relearning that can consume a great deal of time and energy. For content creators, mastering SEO writing isn't just about writing well. It's about understanding the complex mechanics of search algorithms and the subtleties of human reader behavior. It's a challenge indeed, but what if there was a solution to all these SEO-related challenges? Enter SEOWriterAI, your one-stop solution for all your SEO writing needs. It's a sophisticated AI tool designed with the sole purpose of making SEO writing as smooth as a summer breeze. At its core, SEOWriterAI is an intelligent analyzer that deciphers keywords, suggests content ideas, and optimizes your written content for SEO. But it's more than just an analyzer. It's like having your own personal SEO writing assistant, constantly on call, ready to help you navigate the complex world of SEO. This tool doesn't just work hard, it works smart. It saves you time, improves content quality, and most importantly, it takes the guesswork out of the equation. SEOWriterAI comes with a user-friendly interface that's as easy to navigate as a familiar neighborhood. With this tool, SEO writing becomes less of a chore and more of an enjoyable, creative process. With SEOWriterAI, you're no longer alone in the SEO writing maze. Ready to revolutionize your SEO writing experience? Step into the future of content creation with SEOWriterAI. With a simple sign-up process, you can unlock the power of artificial intelligence for your content. No more guesswork, no more hours spent researching keywords. Instead, let the AI do the heavy lifting, providing you with SEO-optimized content that drives traffic and engagement. We've made our pricing affordable, offering different options to suit your needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or a large corporation, we've got a plan that's just right for you. And don't worry if you ever run into any issues or have any questions. Our customer support team is always on hand to provide assistance. Imagine the growth you could experience with the right tools at your disposal. Improved SEO writing skills can lead to a larger audience, increased revenue, and the growth of your business or platform. Take the leap today and let SEOWriterAI guide you through the SEO writing maze. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to envision your journey with SEOWriterAI. Picture yourself sitting at your desk, ready to create engaging content. You're not worried about SEO, keywords, or ranking anymore. Instead, you're focusing on what you love most: writing. All the technicalities are taken care of by our state-of-the-art AI. Your articles are now captivating, your blog posts are buzzing with traffic, and your website is climbing up the search engine rankings. You're saving time, you're saving resources, and you're reaping the rewards of high-quality, SEO-optimized content. And remember, our customer support team is always there to guide you, answer your questions, and help you make the most out of our platform. Let's not forget our affordable pricing plans, designed to cater to everyone from freelancers and small businesses to large corporations. Now it's your turn to experience this transformation. Click the link below to embark on your journey with SEOWriterAI. It's time to redefine your writing process. It's time to embrace the future of SEO writing. Let's write better together.